Hello and welcome to Zero Foods. The lockdown is almost about to end, and whether it is extended or not, it is high time that we start taking care of our health. Not only to beat this coronavirus, but to also make sure no other diseases harm us. And hopefully by now, all of us have exhausted our cravings of junk food like the 2 minute noodle, the chocolate chips, packet chips, and whatnot. On the Zero Foods channel, we provide healthy and easy meal recipes for the entire day with calorie distribution of a modified and a more sustainable version of the low carb diet, the keto diet, and the cert food diet. So let's begin. For breakfast, you will need half a cup or 100 grams of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of pumpkin seeds, 5 walnuts, 50 grams of pomegranate seeds, which is roughly half a pomegranate. In a bowl, first add the pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate seeds are full of nutrients and a good source of fiber for the gut microbiome. Then add the yogurt. Yogurt helps in increasing the good bacteria in the gut and is rich in minerals as well as a good source of vitamin B5 and B12. It is also an excellent source of protein for the vegetarians. Then add the pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are the best for zinc, which is a very important mineral especially to fight against diseases. Lastly, add the walnuts. Walnuts are a good source of healthy fats and increases the probiotic type beneficial bacteria in the gut. And that's it. Your yogurt parfait is ready. This version of yogurt parfait has only 222 calories. For lunch, we're making vegetable stir fry. For this, you will need 2 tablespoons of oil. We are using groundnut oil here. 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Half teaspoon asafoetida. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon rock salt. 1 tablespoon coconut aminos. You can substitute this with soy sauce or barbecue sauce. 100 grams of mushroom. 100 grams of broccoli. And 250 grams of mixed bell peppers. In a hot pan, add the oil. Then add the cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and the asafoetida. Mix it all well. Once the seeds start popping, add the chopped garlic. I'm sure we all know by now that garlic has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-cancer properties. Once the garlic has started to turn goldenish brown, add in the mushrooms. Stir the mushrooms well. Mushroom is probably the only produce that has vitamin D. When the mushrooms start releasing water, add in the broccoli. Give a quick stir to the broccoli. Broccoli is a decent source of potassium and an excellent source of vitamin C. Then add the salt, black pepper powder, as well as the bell peppers. Mix it all well. Bell peppers are also high in vitamin C, so we do not want to overcook it as heat reduces the vitamin C content. And now you can add the coconut aminos. Stir it well and let the veggies cook for a while. And that's it. Your stir fry is ready. Serve it in a plate and you can garnish it with peanuts, sesame seeds, and nutritional yeast. Peanuts are a great vegan and vegetarian source of protein and healthy fats. This recipe only takes about 15 to 20 minutes to prepare and cook and contains only 410 calories. Dinner is going to be chickpea curry, or as we call it, chole. You're going to need 1 bay leaf, 6 tablespoons of oil, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 2 big cardamoms, 1 piece of mace, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, paste of 4 red onions, 2 tomatoes pureed, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, and salt to taste. First, add the oil and let it heat. Then add the bay leaf, cumin seeds, mace, cinnamon sticks, and cardamoms. Give it a good stir. After it starts to pop, add the onion paste. Onions are sulfur-containing, antioxidant-rich, and are a good source of calcium. Once the onion has fried, add the ginger and garlic paste and give it a mix. Let all this cook for a while. Ginger is an antibacterial and has a soothing effect on the stomach. Now add the turmeric and red chili powder, mix it well, and let it cook for 30 seconds. Turmeric is a very well-known anti-inflammatory. Now add the tomato puree and stir it. Tomatoes are a major source of the antioxidant lycopene, which helps in reducing the risk of heart diseases and cancer. Then add the cumin powder, coriander powder and garam masala, give it a mix and let it cook for 1 minute. After that, add the boiled chickpeas along with some water and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. We had soaked these chickpeas overnight and boiled them with cardamom and cloves. You can now add salt and chaat masala to taste. Mix it up for a few seconds and you're done. Your chole is ready. We were cooking this for the entire family, but one serving of this, which is about 500 grams or 2 cups, is 500 calories. We recommend you eat it as it is, but if you're not used to eating this way, you can add a cup of cooked rice, preferably long grain basmati rice, as it has a lower glycemic index. You can add the 205 calories from the rice to your entire meal. So here is the total calorie distribution for the day. And along with it, you have also consumed all these and many more vitamins and minerals in your diet today. Comment and let us know the list of ingredients you have access to, and we will try and create healthy recipes with them for you. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe for more.